In this module, we'll be showing you how to access the Compliance Assist system, edit filters for year and data type, and add new data to an existing outcome. First, we log into the system. With the username and password. If you're new to Compliance Assist, the home page where you start has some links to material that we've placed there from previous year workshops and additional information. You might find this interesting to look at. Most of your work will be done in the Institution tab. You'll see the screen is divided into two panes. On the left, we have the navigation pane, which is where you locate your unit in the institutional chart. In the right is the item pane. That will contain your actual outcomes. We're going to edit filter, the little blue button here. We'll leave it for the fiscal year 2014, but we will deselect all data types except student learning outcomes and performance outcomes. Those are the only ones that we're interested in tracking for this 6-step process. Now in the institution navigation chart, we'll find our area. And you'll see on the right that we have a number of outcomes. We're going to look at the sample student learning outcome for this particular example. When you open an outcome, you'll be in the view mode. You can see the content of each of the 6 steps, but you can't change them. In order to do that, we need to select the Edit tab. Now all of those fields are editable fields. We're going to go directly to step 4 for the current year in our demonstration, which is the 2013-2014. You see this little eye in a balloon to the side. When you see that, you can hover there and it'll give you information or instructions about what's to go in this particular field. Select Edit. That will bring up the editing window, and this is where we'll add our new data. And you can copy and paste into this field as well. Once you've added the new data, we will update the field. Now before we save, we're also going to set our criteria met question. Let's assume that the data this time met the criteria. I'll select yes. You can always hover here to get an explanation of what the codes mean. At the same time, you're probably going to be entering step 6 for the previous year, since our new data is presumably the result of the action plan implemented last year. You'll find step 6 at the bottom of this form. The process for editing is the same as it was for step 4. When we're done, we'll select Save and Close. That will put all of our changes into the system and close this outcome item window. That's all there is to it. To log out of the system, select your username here in the black and select Log Out.